For me, PEN is almost a duty for a writer. I joined PEN nearly 40 years ago. And so when PEN Wales PEN Cymru started, it was a no-brainer for me to be in at the start and to try to make sure that that duty a writer has to fellow writers around the world was carried on through Wales, where I lived for so long. It's the most important organization, has been for 100 years, for standing up for freedom of expression and for the rights, not only of writers, but all those who rely on our writing for their ideas. And I feel that not only can PEN be one of the great forces in literature in Wales, it can also show what Wales can do in the world in its support for people and countries which are having a hard time.